Startups are tough. They test your ideas, your team, and your limits. In this final lesson, we'll talk about what really keeps founders going: resilience. We'll explore how to navigate failure, embrace pivots, and take care of yourself on the journey. Let's start with failure. In startups, it's not if. You'll face setbacks. A launch flops, a feature doesn't land, a deal falls through. It's part of the process. The best founders aren't fearless. They're adaptive. They feel the sting, learn fast, and move forward. Normalize failure in your culture. Talk about what didn't work and why. Celebrate learning as much as winning. When your team sees that failure isn't fatal, they take smarter risks. Sometimes failure signals a pivot. A pivot isn't giving up. It's a strategic shift. Maybe you change your target audience, your product focus, or your go-to-market strategy. Some of the most successful startups, like Slack, Instagram, and Twitter, started out doing something completely different. Pivots work best when they're grounded in real feedback. Listen to your users. Look at the data. If people love part of your product, lean into that. If they're confused or disengaged, ask why. Great pivots usually come from seeing a clearer path to solving the same problem or discovering a better problem to solve. As a founder, your mindset matters as much as your model. Burnout is real. Stress is constant. Doubt creeps in. That's why wellness isn't a luxury. It's a strategy. Take care of your health. Sleep, movement, nutrition, they affect your clarity, energy, and decision-making. You're not just building a company. You're the engine driving it. Build a support system. Other founders, mentors, friends, family, people you can talk to honestly. Celebrate wins together. Share lows together. You don't have to carry it all alone. Set boundaries. It's easy to fall into 24/7 hustle mode, but long-term resilience comes from sustainable effort. Take breaks. Protect deep work time. Learn to say no. Also, keep perspective. Your startup is a chapter, not the whole story. Success isn't just funding or headlines, it's building something meaningful, learning a ton, and becoming someone stronger along the way. When things get tough, reconnect with your why. Why did you start? Who are you helping? What does success look like to you? Not to investors or social media, but to you. You're going to get knocked down. That's okay. What matters is that you get back up, smarter, stronger, and more focused than before. Let's build not just a great startup, but a resilient you.